This portion of today's video is sponsored by Kopkeys. So, Kopkeys is an official website which sells software keys, for example, your Microsoft keys and game keys. And they'll be having their Black Friday hot sales now. So, it's actually really easy to use their website. All you have to do is log in, search for the software key you want to buy. For example, I'm going to use the Windows 10 Pro key right here. Press purchase and pay with any of the payment methods provided, and then you will receive your key. So viewers of my channel will get up to 65% off with my code ST65. I repeat, ST65. You can get 65% off any key you buy from their website for this period. Now, to use your key is actually really simple. So as an example, I'm going to activate the Windows 10 over here. All you have to do is copy and paste the key given and you activate Windows without any problem. So check them out in the links in the description below at kopkeys.com, and a huge thanks to Kopkeys for sponsoring this part of this video.